Welcome back. The gap between banks as well as financial institutions and SMEs is one of the main challenges in boosting growth of the business sector. In an effort to bridge this gap, the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry launched the guidelines for enhancing SME finance at a seminar this morning. His Excellency Mohammed Ahmed bin Abdul Aziz Al Shahi, Under Secretary of the Ministry of Economy, encouraged further support to SMEs. He said they comprise 90% of businesses in Dubai and provides 86% of employment in the private sector, making them critical to the country's economic growth and diversification.
UAE Vision 2021 is really emphasized and continue diversifications of the economy and transform UAE economy toward knowledge-based economy. And I think that the most important elements toward that objective is to focus on the SMEs and incubators and different new small enterprises that's driven by UAE nationals. And I think if we want to have the UAE nationals contribute to the economy, they need to be supported in their initiatives and small and medium projects. I mean, it's good to have mega projects, but you have to say the drivers for the economy everywhere is the small and medium enterprises.
Among the topics discussed included pertinent documentation that banks require from companies. SMEs said these are among the challenges many of them face, including companies that have had a successful track record for years. They are calling for stronger support and clear banking policies. Meanwhile, financial advisors say this is just the beginning.
I think it's the very first step. There's a long way to go, but there's a crying need. Desperately crying need. It is looking positive. More banks are coming into the SME space. Ultimately, when people with the checkbook come in the market, things change. That is beginning to happen. That's the good news.
Still, banks have to grow a lot in this sector, particularly banks when they ask for securities over here in this country, and we do not have those securities. Because over here we don't own land or own even our own warehouse we don't own. It's all rented. So banks cannot take securities from us and advance. So banks rely on our background of the business.
The Taiwan External Trade Development Council reinforced their commitment towards strengthening trade relations with the UAE by signing a memorandum of understanding with the Arab Business Club. The signing of the agreement took place during a seminar entitled Meet Taiwan, the Emerging Hub in Asia, which was held at the Shangri-La Hotel in Dubai today. Commenting on the signing of the MOU, Mr. Hamdan Mohammed Al-Moshidi, chairman of the board of the Arab Business Club, said the seminar acts as the best platform for local companies to explore more cooperation opportunities with many prominent Taiwan companies. The total trade between the UAE and Taiwan reached $5.9 billion in 2011, a steady growth of 17% in comparison with the previous year. The UAE is currently the third largest trade partner of Taiwan in the Middle and Near East region and continues to strengthen its relation in industrial development. Founded in 1970, representatives from the non-profit trade promotion organization of Taiwan, TAATRA, hope that companies in the UAE will take advantage of Taiwan as an emerging hub and gateway to Asia.
Our event here is that the people and the companies who are interested to do business with Taiwan and the region know more about how to do business with Taiwan, how to take advantage of Taiwan's emerging hub situation, to do business in Asia, use the hub of Taiwan. I think this is good for the companies here to know better, and Asia is a very important emerging market in the world. Taiwan is the number one production country for LED, and we are second on the solar energy. And I think this is very good resources for us to cooperate with UAE. From January until September, Taiwan's trade with the Middle East, our export to Middle East increased 7.8%. This is very good performance.
Dubai Financial Market Company on Saturday reported a net profit of 38.9 million dirhams a 411% increase compared to the corresponding period in 2011. The company's performance improved during the third quarter of 2012, with the quarterly net loss declining to 1.7 million dirhams compared to 9.3 million dirhams in the third quarter of 2011. DFM recorded a total revenue of 155.5 million dirhams at the end of the third quarter of 2012, compared to 145.1 million dirhams during the corresponding period in 2011. And with that, let's take a look at stock indices across the GCC.